Bullish Elrond cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $202.30 and $382.12 by 2030. Market examiners accept Egld could reach $157.34 by 2025. Bearish Elrond market cost expectation for 2023 is $35.96. Elrond presentation. Numerous digital currency projects are using the advantages of the DeFi innovation to get the fate of their ventures and accomplish a full condition of organization versatility. Elrond is one of those conventions that is centered around building an imaginative blockchain foundation with a state sharding plan, a blockchain arrangement that permits hubs to somewhat control the framework state, which helps construct the organization structure. This organization has released another condition of computerized engineering and innovation. Be that as it may, in this video, we'd introduce an outline of this Elrond environment, its cost exhibition since its creation, the group and values behind the capability of its organization, and our future cost forecasts. With the erratic developments in the digital currency market, it'd be an extraordinary chance to understand what the exhibition of your venture would be with the guide of cutting-edge specialized examination instruments and expectation specialists. What is Elrond? Elrond Network, additionally alluded to as Egld, was established in 2017 in Romania by two programming designers Benjamin Mincu and Lucian Mincu. Be that as it may, the mainnet took some time prior to sending off in July 2020 because of high objective turn of events. Egld is a blockchain framework that uses sharding for expanding chain versatility and exchange speed while applying the security of the evidence of stake agreement component. It has a greatest stock of 31,415,926 Egld tokens, which is expanded yearly yet thusly diminishes the marking prizes in the organization. This will influence the rate at which expansion of the coin develops as it continually diminishes, yet the confirmation of stake validators would act as one more method for exchange check on the convention. This blockchain has supported the disposal of PC waste and conservation of energy while focusing on their trustworthiness through a one-of-a-kind component that permits the different handling of information exchanges in a similar block, which speeds up at a high rate. Elrond Center engineers accept that the Egld organization can deal with in excess of 15,000 exchanges each second at a charge of $0. This guarantee was demonstrated when Elrond arrived at 260,000 exchanges each second in a test climate with in excess of 1,000 hubs. This is a gigantic accomplishment contrasted with the other blockchains like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Torrential Slide. The Elrond local token is utilized in marking, remunerating validators, and installment of organization expenses likewise. The simplicity of activity is to such an extent that Elrond can be run on PCs without the requirement for cutting-edge mining processors, which makes it fledgling, cordial, and modest to make do. Elrond is the main organization that permits the synchronous execution of the relative multitude of three qualities of sharding parts in their convention plan. Its focal center is network security, as enduring interior dangers and outer attacks was planned. Elrond current cost. Elrond is at present worth $44.96 USD. Egld has moved 0.25% as of now with an exchanging volume of $18,323,771. Elrond is at present positioned 48 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $1,112,856,415 USD. Using the general strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal, and moving normal intermingling uniqueness from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Elrond to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize continuous Elrond market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market movement. Elrond value expectation 2023. Elrond, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Egld cost gauge for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $67.43. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be steady, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $62.94 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is achievable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headway. Egld is supposed to have a base worth of $53.95. Elrond value expectation 2024 of every 2024. Elrond Egld cost forecast has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Egld will before long outperform $112.39. Notwithstanding, we ought to stand by to check whether the Egld's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, EGLD will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $89.91 and a typical exchanging cost of $98.90. Elrond value expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $157.34 and EGLD might benefit in the event that the market encounters a downfall. The objective may not be met. EGLD is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $143.86 and a low of $134.87 in 2025. Elrond value expectation 2026. Assuming Elrond effectively helps market opinion among digital currency lovers, the EGLD coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, EGLD will be green in 2026. The EGLD is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $202.30, with a base cost of $179.82 and a typical cost of $188.81. Elrond value expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the EGLD cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $233.77 by 2027, with a base cost of $224.78 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, EGLD has a greatest value worth of $247.26. Elrond value forecast 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $278.72. On the off chance that EGLD figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $292.21. Neglecting to assemble the help EGLD needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $269.73. Elrond value forecast 2029. While EGLD is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been set at $314.69 and a yearly cost close above $337.17 in 2029. Elrond value expectation 2030. By 2030, Elrond will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $359.64 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $382.12, averaging out at $368.64. Elrond value expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to gauge future costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest EGLD cost in 2031 is projected to be $440.56 in case of